Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here at the stunning Shakaparina National Park to commemorate 75 years of UK-Pakistan relations. To mark this important milestone, British High Commission staff have just planted 75 trees here. This, like so much of our work, is carried out in cooperation with the people of Pakistan and complements the incredible 7,500 trees being planted this year in the UK by the British Pakistan Foundation and the Pakistan High Commission to celebrate the 75-year journey of the British Pakistani community. Such activity is a great testament to our deep people-to-people ties. Right now, the UK and Pakistan are collaborating to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from driving forward action on climate change to improving gender equality. I know that we will continue to do so over the next 75 years. Happy birthday, happy Independence Day. Azmi Ali Shan, Shahad Rakhe, Pakistan.